Chrstian Airlangga from 11 Science 7 number 10. Here I will tell you how to use an electronic iron. Do you always go out in shabby clothes? It's very bad for your appearance. And how do people around you see you? People around you may think low of you. Are you not ashamed? Therefore, you have to spend a little time ironing your clothes. I will with you to do how to iron clothes. The steps that you must follow. First, prepare the iron, the cloth, a placemat or any flat surface board, clothing hanger. Then plug the iron cable into an electricity. When the iron is warm, place the clothes into the placemat. After that, apply the iron on the clothes surface evenly. Don't forget, when you are done using the iron, make sure to unplug the cable again. Finally, put the clothes on the clothing hanger. Now you don't have to feel embarrassed or inferior. If you wear the clothes that you ironed earlier, you will be more authoritative than before. People around you will see you as a person with dignity. So, enjoy your life.